Good afternoon, everybody. The first question that I'm responding to is my dream car being a monster truck. My favorite movie of all time is Gone in 60 Seconds. My greatest role model is Kurt Angle. It's true. It's true. The make of my first car was a Chevy Cavalier. My height in centimeters is 182.8 centimeters. That seems like I'm really tall. My least favorite food in the world is anything that is green. Basically vegetables. I don't like vegetables. I graduated high school in 2002. My beverage of choice is Dr. Pepper or chocolate milk. Currently, the diet that Britt has me on, it's all chocolate milk. My first pet, well, technically it was my parents' dog Odie, but my first pet was my German Shepherd Kiark. My go-to food, chicken nuggets. 3 minutes in the new microwave that I'm borrowing from my parents. Thanks, Mom. And I'm good to go for dinner when Britt's at work. My favorite dessert is a Dairy Queen Blizzard with M&Ms. Chocolate ice cream because Britt's convinced me that that's the best way to go. My favorite superhero is Iron Man. Primarily because I'm an Iron Man. My biggest pet peeve is being organized and cleaning up. And apparently, while Britt is here at this bridal shower, she's probably expecting me to be cleaning the house, cutting the grass, doing the laundry, and a whole other list of chores that she's left for me. My favorite color is orange, and yes, I will find a way to incorporate that into the wedding. Just you wait and see. My favorite sports team? How can you have just one when there are 3 big sports? The Bears, the White Sox, and Nashville. Coca-Cola corner kick, because it's Saturday. My favorite pizza topping is buffalo chicken. That's kind of a pizza, but also a topping. My first job was answering the phone at my mom's company, Sunday mornings, and I've been an early riser ever since. I am named after both my grandparents, grandpaps, John and Stephen.